Today I'm going to show you how to rebuild the fuel pump on a 1929 Chevy Coupe with an inline six. I'm going to pull this fuel pump off. I'm going to completely disassemble it and clean it. And then I'm going to show you the reassemble procedure. I think the disassembly is pretty self-explanatory. Once you remove this bottom cover, you'll notice that the springs, there's two springs in there. The tops of them line up on these two indentions, and the bottom ones have caps. One's a big one that goes here with a big hole. Another one's got a small hole on it that lines up with this pin. Next, we're going to install the new diaphragm. Now as you tighten this down, make sure that you put a couple screws in the diaphragm so that you can keep it lined up. All right, I'm going to tighten this up, and then we're going to assemble the top plate back onto the diaphragm, and then we're going to install it. So on the gaskets that are included in the kit, only one works for here, but the other one will not fit over the valve. Won't fit down on there. So we are going to use an O-ring. So it's very important that one goes this way to your valves, and one goes this way. Put those in there. I'm going to put the retainer down and the two screws. Got our new screen, new gasket. Make sure that your block gasket, that the hole lines up on the bottom for the oil drain. And we'll put this on the engine.